In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ground plane for realistic shadows in Dimension. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate the ground plane and fine-tune the look of your shadows and reflections so your scene feels grounded and believable. Let's start by turning on the ground plane. In the Scene panel, select Environment. This is where you control global settings that affect your entire scene. Now look over to the Properties panel and find the Ground Plane section. Toggle Ground Plane on. You won't see a visible floor appear, and that's expected. The ground plane is an invisible surface that catches shadows and, if you want, reflections. Think of it as a stage your models are standing on, helping them connect to the scene instead of floating. With the ground plane active, it's time to adjust how those shadows and reflections behave. First up is shadow opacity. This slider controls how dark or light your shadows appear on the ground. If you increase the value, you'll get stronger, more defined shadows that suggest a bright, direct light. If you lower it, shadows become softer and more subtle, which works well for diffused lighting or softer moods. A quick tip: if your shadows look too heavy, try easing the opacity down to let the scene breathe. Next is reflection opacity. This controls whether the ground surface reflects your objects, similar to a glossy floor or polished table. Raise the value if you want visible reflections that help your products or models feel premium or photographed in a studio. Lower the value if you want to minimize or remove reflections entirely for a more matte, natural surface. Reflections can add realism, but they're most effective when they match the material or look you're going for. Finally, adjust reflection roughness. This determines how sharp or blurry those reflections are. A low roughness gives you crisp, mirror-like reflections, which can look sleek but also call attention to themselves. A higher roughness softens and blurs the reflection, creating a more realistic look for surfaces like concrete, wood, or lightly polished stone. Balancing opacity and roughness together is key. Higher opacity with higher roughness gives a gentle, believable sheen without distracting from your subject. As you work, move your camera and preview the results from multiple angles. Lighting and material choices in your scene will influence how shadows and reflections appear, so small tweaks can go a long way. And remember, the goal is cohesion. Set the ground plane to complement your lighting style and the story your render is telling.